Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss question number 3 of exercise 14.4. So question says you have to draw a line L and take a point X on this line segment L, and then through this point X we have to draw line segment XY which is perpendicular to L. So till this we have done in question number 1 also. So I hope all of you know how to do, right? So let's start with this part only, then we will come to the next part. So we have to take any line L. So just remember we have to draw a line L. So I am going to mark arrows on both sides because this is a line L. This is not a line segment. Now you have to take any point X on this line segment. So I have taken point X on this. Now through point X we have to draw a line segment XY which is perpendicular to L, right? So what will we do? With any random length we have to draw a semicircle at point X. Basically this is 180 degree angle. This is a straight angle I am marking, right? All of you know this very well. This is what? This is a straight angle I am marking here. So to draw the perpendicular to this line, what will we do? These are the 2 points where the semicircle cut each other. Now we can open the length of compass a little bit. So here this is the first point where the semicircle which we have drawn earlier cuts the line L. So from here we have to draw the first arc. Just check from where I have drawn the first arc. And now this is the second point here. And from this point we have to draw the second arc. So I have drawn the second arc also. I repeat, this first arc was drawn from here and we have drawn the second arc from this point where the semicircle was cutting the line L. Now we have to join the point of intersection with point X. And this is what? This is the perpendicular line on line L. So we have to give it name XY. So I am just going to make it, and here I am going to take the point Y. So here is my point Y. Now next part of the question says now we have to draw a perpendicular to XY at point Y, right? Now we have to draw a perpendicular at point Y on the line segment XY. Now this is already vertical line segment. So to draw perpendicular at point Y, what can I do? I can rotate my paper, right? You can also rotate your notebook. So I have rotated. Now again the question is same. I have to draw a perpendicular to this line segment which is horizontal in front of me now, right? And at this point Y I have to draw a perpendicular as we have drawn earlier at point X. So again open your compass with a small length. With any random length you can open your compass, 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, any length, right? So again what will we do? We have to draw a semicircle at point Y. Now again open your compass a bit and just check. These are, here is the point and here is the point and here is the point where the semicircle is cutting the line segment. So we can open our compass a little bit and we have to draw 2 arcs. One from this end point of the semicircle, other from the other end point of this semicircle, right? So now what will we do? We have to draw the point where the 2 arcs cut each other. Here this is the point where the 2 arcs were cutting each other. So we have to join this point with the point Y. So here I have to join it with this point Y and we have to draw a line. So this is the perpendicular to the XY. So I can give this line as M, and line M is the perpendicular on the line segment XY. So here line M is perpendicular on the line segment XY, right? So students, here you can check. We have drawn the two perpendiculars. Line L was also perpendicular on XY. We have drawn XY perpendicular on L. So obviously line L is also perpendicular to XY and line M is also perpendicular to XY. So you can check the line L and line M both are parallel to each other. So you can conclude from here that the two perpendiculars on the same line are parallel to each other. I repeat, perpendicular drawns on the same line are parallel to each other. Thank you and have a nice day.